Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 24th February 2022 and we are at 9:30 p.m. Today we saw a decent amount of correction in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty as well as another world indices. 2 days before I clearly gave a caution saying that any close below 22nd February, which was our mega day, I was expecting 11.46% correction in Nifty, and already 5% done today. So we are yet to go for another 6.46% in the coming days. And I clearly mentioned in that video that I may be wrong also, but market says this is what is going to happen, and that is what I've discussed in my video. And if you go back to my earlier video, which I put on 17th October 2021, saying that from 18th October, you need to be very, very careful on market and lighten up your position. So don't go for aggressive buying and other stuff. Maybe you can try with 30-35%, but not fully. And after I put that video, I gave a Nifty target, which I was able to see on the past projection, that Nifty, in case if it doesn't close above 18,604 on any closing basis, my target was 6564 on Nifty. I may be 100% wrong. I may be 100% wrong. What I am telling now is the past pattern is showing this, and that is what I am conveying to you. So please do your homework before investing in any stock, cryptos, mutual funds, and all that. Whatever market is showing to me, I am showing it to you. That's all, right? Based on the recent thing which I mentioned on 22nd February, that market is showing 11.46% fall, and already 5% done today. And in 2019, November 19, 2021, when I gave an exit to my followers in mutual funds at 12,167, and I've told very clearly the target is 8566. No one believed. No one believed. But exact low was 8566. When it on that day it had a down freeze, and from there it went up to 10,100 and came back to 7511 in the month of March. And when I mentioned that 23rd March will be the bottom, nobody has accepted me, and everybody cursed me, saying that 24th was the lockdown announcement in India. How can I give long call? But I clearly mentioned that Nifty is showing 13,775 on or before December 2020. Exactly, the date is 21st December 2020. No, 20. And it did exactly 13,775. And 13,775 was the all-time high again. So whatever market, what I want to tell you now is market knows where it is going to hit, and it is there in the past. So you need to go back to past, see how it is worked out, and you need to come and paste it in the future. Then you will know where it is going to go, where it is not, and all that. See, I may be wrong. Even last year when I discussed that 2021 Nifty must close below 13,596, because I predicted 29th January will be the low of Nifty in 2021. Exactly, the low happened only on 29th January, and even that video is available in YouTube. You can go and check it. Exactly low made on that day. I was expecting that on or before December it should close below 13,596, but it didn't. So I was wrong on that. So don't take my numbers so seriously, but I believe my numbers and I follow my numbers. Whatever market shows in the past, I follow with discipline, whatever may come or not. So that's how it is. So now let's go to the presentation, what we talked about yesterday and how it is going to be, right? So first, let's go to the LinkedIn thing, and this is the message which I posted in Twitter as well as in LinkedIn on January 31st, saying that big bullish must pray God that VIX should not close above 24 in the month of February. If it moves above 24 and holds for an hour or two, possibility of touching 50.27. Till it holds 29th September low, which was the important trend change date for VIX, it will move up only. Clear instruction is it will move up only. Next date to watch is 22nd June 2022 and climax week is December last week 2022. Right? So now it went in the month of February, first 10 days, it went above 24, and it closed below that. And 2 days before, on Tuesday, where we had a very important major date, which is 22nd February. And this date was, I was talking for the last 1.5 months. Okay, you can go back from January itself. Even the first week of January, I was talking about 22nd February. So it closed above 24 on 22nd February. I'm talking about VIX. And from there, we have seen today it is more than 30. So possibility that it may go and touch 50.27. Again, I'm saying bulls must pray now, it should close below 24. Otherwise, more pain we are going to see in the future. Okay, this is number one. And coming to Excel sheet number, it was goosebumps actually, because the number, the sell number is not initiated in the morning. This 16,641 market went down below, but God was with us. It came exactly and touched this number again at 11:30. Once it touched this number, it fell down very badly towards 16,250. So God is kind enough to bless us to get the full entry on the sell side. So this was a number which I published exactly at 9:25 to my followers. So you can use it if you want to trade. You can definitely use it. Okay. So this is where I get a lot of viewers because this is intraday. So we focus more on positional. This is for the followers, just for the kick. I put it in my social media. Okay. So coming to Bank Nifty, I've given two numbers which is very, very crucial, and both the numbers, it closed below both the numbers, which is 35,937 and 35,721. Once it broke 35,721 on an important timing, which is after 2:30 candle, big fall in the indices, because I've clearly mentioned you need to watch the timing. The timing is very important, and it happened at 2:30 to 2:35 candle. Okay, the fall aggravated after that only. So now Bank Nifty closed below 35,721, which is not a good sign. Yeah, I mentioned these levels, and below 35,721, the next level was 35,231. This is achieved, and the next number which I'm watching out for tomorrow is 34,596. So all these numbers, it's already mentioned in the Excel sheet. You can go and watch it in my PPT. You can watch my PPT. So now let's go to graph. Okay, so this was the video which I put on February 23rd night, February 22nd night, saying that topic covered are Nifty, Bank Nifty, S&P, ETH and BTC. Will Nifty do 11.46% from here? This was the topic. So you can go back to this video, and the heading was market forecast for 23rd February. And I put this video on 22nd February night. Okay. So this was, will Nifty do 11.46% from here? So you can go and watch this video. And the 29th, January low of 2021, all videos are available in my YouTube channel. You can go back and check, right? So now coming to the Excel sheet for tomorrow. So let's talk about from here where we started yesterday. Okay, so this one thing is more than enough, because it is monthly expiry. First 30 minutes high and low will do the magic. On any weekly expiry or monthly expiry, this is the thumb rule. First 30 minutes high and low will do the magic. If it trades within the 30 minutes high and low, it's simply premium eating full till the end. So today, once it broke 30 minutes low, you all seen the fall, right? So I've clearly mentioned, yesterday itself that everything looks bearish. So be very careful, right? So this is all already, it is also there in the video. You can go and check. And the weekly targets, I was expecting 16,641, but it went and touched 16,240 also. So all the weekly target achieved on the downside. And coming to Bank Nifty, my weekly target was 36,262, and it went below 1,000 points from here also, right? So we are not caught on the long front. So we are very happy. And coming to tomorrow, and no need to talk anything much. So these two numbers I'm watching, 16,070 and 15,625 on Nifty spot, and Bank Nifty 34,596. Until it is below 35,721, it is bearish. And I've given all the important numbers here. You can watch what are the targets for intraday, everything I've given. But now I want to focus on this slide, which is very, very important for the March expiry. Just mark this number in your trading system and observe this number, 16,998. This number doesn't change for the whole month. It is called one number magic. Last month it was 17,174, and Bank Nifty future was 37,474. Okay, so you know how it reacted. People, those who are following me for the last 1 month, from February expiry, you know how that number worked in the whole month, right? So now the number for March month is, for Nifty future, it is 16,998, and for Bank Nifty future it is 199. But now Bank Nifty is way below this number. It has to claim roughly around 2,000 points to come and touch this number. But watch out, this number holds the key, right? And I'll be updating this daily number, and this is the intraday number. Okay, so in Nifty it is intraday number, right? So and I have marked this intraday number here. Till it is below this number, it is bearish only. Till it is below 35,897, it is bearish only. If it close above this number for 15 minutes, it will become bullish. The same here also. If it close above 16,497 tomorrow, it is bullish only. Till that time, it is bearish. So you can definitely hit in case if it comes near to that 16,497. But I don't know, because it closed at 16,250. It has to claim roughly around 200 points to come and touch this number. So let's watch. The critical number to watch out for Nifty spot is 15,625, or the 11.46% from 22nd February low. 11.46%. It works out to roughly around 14,900 level. So you work out that number. Take February 22nd low. Work out 11.46% from there, and you will know the number. Okay, and that's all. March month, I'll be giving all the important dates. So these are the dates, important dates for this month. And something big is happening tomorrow. Maybe I'll try to update on Saturday morning. The effect will be seen on 28th. The effect will be seen on 28th. Something is happening major on the astrological front. I will definitely post that. And tomorrow morning, I will give a monthly expiry game changer number. See, this is monthly number which I will give only after the month is opened. This number is for the whole expiry for February month. The February month is getting over only on 28th of February. So on March 1st is an holiday. So March 2nd, I will give you a monthly game changer number. That is also you can use to trade. You don't need to follow my futures numbers. These four numbers, these two numbers is more than enough to make money in Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you want to follow future, you follow futures. If you want to follow spot, you follow spot. Whichever you want to follow, you follow. And I follow numbers with my indicator, which gives a phenomenal result. And this month, we already doubled our money in Nifty future, even though we had a lot of events happened in budget friend, as well as Fed meetings, interest rate high, and this Ukraine crisis. We doubled our money, and I'll just show how our system worked today, even in this scenario. And let's go back. So it opened down, right? It will, once it is become red, it will go and touch my blue color and respect that blue color, and from there the fall will start. And today, exactly this 16641, which is my Excel sheet cell number, combined with my indicator. So it came down, went and touched, we shorted here only, and we closed all the positions here. So March month starting was phenomenal. We already captured roughly around, we went short in Nifty March futures. So we captured roughly around 400 points. Let's see what happens tomorrow. So whenever it goes again and touches our blue color, we will again go short. Till we get a genuine buy, we will be in the short side only, because this is a trend following system and we follow the trend. And that is why we are able to capture 100% in our corpus. I'm talking about for Nifty future, it is 1.25 lakhs in Zerodha. So we achieved 1.25 lakhs this month. I'm talking about for one lot. People, those who do two lots or whatever, that you need to do the working. So that's how it is. So my indicator keeps us cool, to trade market, and we are not bothered about what is happening outside. Whether missile is flying, we don't care about anything. We follow our Nifty because price will show us much better than what the news is going to tell you. So I never follow all that. There is no TV in my room. I follow Nifty. Nifty will guide me to what, where it is heading. So that's how it is. And again, telling you, this is not the time for bottom fishing. So kindly wait. I will let you know when to do the bottom fishing. Date will come, time will come to enter the market. So till that time, there is no bottom fishing. And I clearly told many of my investors, today is not the time for bottom fishing. Let the market stabilize. Let it close above at least 17,351, or let it take support at the important dates in the month of March. Then we can do bottom fishing. Again, I'm telling retail investors, please stay away from this market. And this is what I'm telling you for the last 10 days. Don't come to market. Please don't come to market, and maintain your positional sizing. Don't go overboard. Since you lost in the last 2 days, don't do revenge trading, taking 5 lots, 10 lots, beyond your capacity, and then don't burn your fingers. So this time to be quiet and see how the market reacts. Time will come for us to do the bottom fishing. Thanks a lot for watching this video. In case I know many people would have stuck with their own stocks. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me and you can let me know where what you want to how you want to help you on the stocks, whether support and resistance, the important date for the stocks, all that I'm ready to help you out. So if you want, you can WhatsApp me, or you can put it in a YouTube channel. Maybe I'll try to help you out. Okay, again, I'm saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stock, cryptos, whatever indices, anything. And whatever prediction I'm giving now, this is only for educational purpose. I follow it with discipline. I'm not telling you to follow it. Whatever numbers I said today, that is for myself. So you don't need to follow me. But numbers work. If you want to follow, you follow with 100% discipline, with 100% positional sizing, with 100% stop loss. Otherwise, consult your financial advisors and invest your own money. Thanks a lot. Good night.